Students, now we are going to start again 1.5 practice at 1.5 second question. We have done first question and we have done fourth question. Do you remember that? Yes, that is the previous video. We have done first and the fourth question. Now I'm starting with the question number second. If you check this out in the question number second, that this second question, they have not given you any statement or anything here. They have just given in the diagrammatical form. The question is in the diagrammatical form. Now, if the question is in the diagrammatical form, just say it's very simple. No need to read and form the statement and all. It's very simple part. If you check this out question over here, that I am a rectangle and they have given this is a rectangle and they have given these values 2x plus y plus 8 and 4x minus y, here 2y, here x plus 4. Find the value of x and y. And then this is the one question you have to do it, and the next question they told it over here, find the perimeter, that is the second question, find the area, that is the third question. That means in this you have three questions to be found. First you have to get the value of x and y, then you have to get the value of the perimeter of a rectangle, and then the area of a rectangle. So it's very simple. You will have studied in your 9th standard quadrilateral chapter. Do you remember the property of a rectangle? Now the property of a rectangle is what over here is opposite side of a rectangle are equal. The length of an opposite side of a rectangle are equal, or they are being called opposite side of a rectangle are congruent. So can we use that property? Now here if I write first over here that opposite sides of a rectangle are congruent. Can I write that over here are congruent, or they are the length is equal? This is the property of a rectangle. Okay. Now here if you check this out carefully, that 2y, this is the breadth 2y and this is x plus 4y. These are the opposite side. And the opposite side they are given the measurement of in the form of 2y and x plus 4. So can I write it over here? 2y is equals to x plus 4. 2y is equal to x plus 4 because they are the opposite side and opposite side measures will be equal. Now, can I get it into the standard form over here? Minus x plus 2y is equals to 4, and that's my equation number 1. This is how I got my equation number 1. Now if you check the next this over there, that 2x plus y plus 8 and 4x minus y, they are the opposite. So can I have their measurements to be equal coming up over here? So this will be a 2x plus y plus 8 is equals to 4x minus y. 4x minus y. Now again this is what 2x plus y is equal to 8 and 4x minus y are the opposite. Now when they are opposite, now you have to get it into the standard form. So therefore it will be over here 2x and minus 4x. Can you see 4x on the right hand side? It will come to the minus 4x on the left hand side. Plus y will remain there and minus y from the right hand side will come to the plus y. You will be getting over here, the sign will change. And this 8 is from the left hand side will go to the right hand side. It will go to the right hand side. When it will go to the right hand side, you will be getting what? Minus 8. Now if you check this out of this, these are the like terms and these are the like terms. So 2x minus 4x. So you have a 2x minus 4x, you will be getting over here is minus 2x because bigger number sign. And 1x plus 1x will be again you will be getting 2x. 1x plus 1x is 2x is equals to minus 8. Is equals to minus 8. But still you can see this over there that if all the three terms are going in one table, you can do the cancellation. Now suppose if I do one thing over there, this 2, 2 and 8, they are going in one table. So can I divide this by 2 the 2 1 the 2, 2 1 the 2 and 2 4 the 8. So I'll be getting this equation minus x plus y is equals to 4. And that's now I will be getting the second equation. Now I'll be getting the second equation. So if you check this out carefully, that I got this equation number 1 minus x plus 2y is equal to 4 minus x plus y is equals to, I have not written one thing is there that it will be here minus 4. It will be minus 4. Can you see that over there? I'll write it again. It will be here minus 4. So I'll write little for minus 4. That's what I forgot to write it over there. So you will be getting minus 4. Now if you see this equation number 1 and equation number 2, if you check, observe this carefully. Now we have to follow the same three procedure: equalization, addition, subtraction, and substitution. So if you check this out over there, this x and x, there's one x and one x, 2y and y. So if you see that over there, the x variables are equal. So x variables are equal, so no need of equalization. So it is already equal over there, x variables are equal. Now, after x variables are equal, the second step, addition or subtraction should have to do. So if you see that here you got what, minus x, and here you got what, minus x. Both the numbers are having same sign. So same sign, subtraction. S for same, S for subtraction. You know that rule. Yes or no? So what should I have to do that over there? The both are having minus x and minus x. So I have to subtract it over there. So now what I'll try to do here is, I'll be writing over here, subtracting equation second from first. When I try to subtract second from first, I'll be writing over here minus x plus 2y is equals to 4. Minus x plus 2y is equal to 4. Minus x plus y is equals to minus 4. This is my equation number 1 and this is my equation number 2. Now, if you check this out over there, when I try to subtract it, I have to write a minus sign, and then you know that the sign of the second equation will change. Everybody, now you must have been perfect with your practice. You must have done doing the practice. What I am doing, it is very simple now. It must have become over there. So this minus into minus will become plus. Minus into plus is minus. Minus into minus is plus. So this minus x and plus x will be getting 0. And this is 2y minus y. Minus 1y. No number means 1. 2 minus 1. So you'll be getting what? Y only. 2 minus 1 is 1. 1. No need of writing 1. You can just write over there y. Y over there. And this is 4 plus 4. Now it is not minus 4. It is plus 4. So 4 plus 4, you will be getting what? 8. So therefore you are getting y the value is equals to 8. You got a value of y is 8. And everybody knows very well over there. This is the second step I finished. Now I have to do that over there, the substitution. So can I do it over here? Substituting the value of x is equals to 8 in equation 1. Can I take that equation number 1? It's very simple also. Equation number 1. Now, when I take that equation number 1, what is the equation number 1 is what? Minus x plus 2y is equals to 4. And that's my equation number 1. So here you'll be getting what? Minus x, we'll keep it up as it is, 2 into y. We got the value of y. Now you see this, the value of y is what? 8. So I'll write it over 8 is equals to 4. 8 is equals to 4. So this is, therefore you'll be having over here is minus x plus 2 8 are 16 is equals to 4. 2 8 are 16, you'll be getting is equals to 4. Now therefore you'll be getting minus x is equal to 4 minus 16. Plus 16 will go that side. We'll be getting minus 16. And then after that you'll be getting what? Minus x is equals to, you'll be getting what? Minus 12. Both the numbers are minus. Minus sign will get cut. You'll be getting x is equals to 12. You got a value of x is equals to 12. So this is how you got it over here. The value of x, you got it over there. And you got a value of y. After getting the value of x and value of y, sum is over? No. We have to find the second question, that is the perimeter, that is the area also. Now how to find the perimeter? So perimeter ka formula you must be knowing, length into breadth. 2 bracket on length into breadth. So I must know the value of the length of the rectangle. I must know the value of the breadth of a rectangle. If in the area also there is a formula, area of a rectangle is equal to length into breadth. Okay, here so to find the perimeter ka formula is 2 bracket on length plus breadth. Correct was that thing? So for that I have to first get the value of the length. I have to get the value of the breadth. Now, if you check this out over here, this is your breadth. Can you see that? I have got 2y. So, and this is your length. Anyone you can take it up over there. Here, if I take here, in this case, in your diagram, here you have over here length. I have a length. Length is equals to what is that over there? 4x plus minus y. And I got the value of x is 4 into 12. 4 into 12. 4x minus y is one of the length. This both, any one value, here you can put in this value also, you'll get the same answer. So but I'm taking the easiest one, 4x minus y. So 4 into 12, because x ka value we got it what? 12. Minus y. Y ka value we got it what? 8. So 4 2s are 8, 4 1s are 4. So you'll be getting 48 minus 8. So you'll be getting the length is what? Length is what over here? In this case is 40 units. Because there is no unit has been given. So you have to just write it over the unit. I got the length for this over there. Now let's go to find out the breadth. Now what is the value of the breadth? Breadth is nothing but here. In this case, can I take 2y? Is the breadth, you can take 2y or you can take x plus 4y. Both are same. So you can take any one of that with it. So now 2y ka value we have here is 8. 2 into 8. 2 8 is 16. So I'll be getting what? 16 units. So up till here, I think so I have finished my question number 1. That is here, I find out the value of x, I find the value of y, then I find the value of length, and then I find the value of breadth. Up till here we have find out all this over there. Now we are going to find out the perimeter, we are going to find out the area. Perimeter. Now let's how to find the perimeter and how to find the area. So for that what I have to do here, I have to apply the formula. So I have to write it over here in this case, perimeter of a rectangle. Perimeter of a rectangle. Now perimeter of a rectangle ka formula I am applying it over here, 2 bracket on length plus breadth. Now I have applied the formula of 2 bracket on length plus breadth. If you check this out the formula, now 2 we have the length. We got the length ka value. Can you see that length ka value is what? 40 plus breadth ka value we got 16. 40 plus 16. I got that over there. Now 40 plus 15, that is over there. This is over there 56. So 2 into 56, 2 6 are 12, 1 carry, 2 for the 10, 1 11. So you are getting nothing but 112 unit. The perimeter of a rectangle you got 112 units. So that means you finish with your perimeter card. Now you have to find out what? Area. You have to find out the area. So area of a rectangle. So I have to apply the formula of area of a rectangle. Area of a rectangle. Now area of a rectangle, everybody knows the formula. You have studied in your 9th standard also. Length into breadth. Length into breadth. That's your area of a rectangle. Length into breadth. So what is the length we got it over here is that 40. And what is the breadth we got is what over here 16. If I multiply this 40 into 16. Let's try to multiply 40 into 16. 6 zeros are 0, 6 fours are 24, then this will be 1 0 0, 1 fours are 4, so you are 0 4 6. So you are getting what? 640 square unit. You must write this square unit because it's an area. Perimeter you just have to write unit. Area you have to write for square unit. Everybody knows how we write square centimeter or square meter. Your square unit will come. So we have finished the value of x and y. We got it. We got the length. Then we found out the length. Then we found out the breadth. And then we found out the perimeter of a rectangle. And then we found out the area of a rectangle. And that's how we finish with the question number 2 of practice set 1.5. Okay students, now let's go to the practice set 1.5. We are going to go to the question number 5th. Now question number 5th, we will first read the question. First just read the question. Don't do anything. Yesterday I showed you that the rules which are there. Do you remember? First you will read the question. 2 types of boxes A and B are to be placed in the truck having a capacity of 10 ton. Remember that the capacity of the truck is 10 ton and you are putting 2 types of boxes, one A type and one B type. Now when 150 boxes of type A and 100 boxes of type B are loaded in the truck, it weighs 10 tons. Then the second condition what it told, but when 260 boxes of type A are loaded in the truck, it can still accommodate 40 boxes of type B so that it is fully loaded. Find the weight of each type of boxes. Now find the weight of each type of boxes. Now sums we did it. I told you last time over there. First you don't have to understand the sum. First see the last step. Last question. What is that is been asked. So if you check this out carefully, the find the weight of each type of boxes. Can you see that over there? How many types of boxes? We have two types of boxes. Last time also I told you that over there. So you'll be having two things. So do we know the weight of each boxes over there? No. So what I'll try to do today is first I'll be keeping this over there. Let the weight of type A box be X kg. You have over here, pay attention carefully. Let the weight of type A box, weight of type A box be X kg. That means one box weighing X kg. Okay. Then next we will be going for the next, that is the type, what is that over there? Let second case state will be let the weight of a type B, you have your type B box be Y kg. Now remember this Y kg. I have over here type A box B X kg and a type B box. That means let the weight of one box of type AB X kg and let the weight of one box of type B be Y kg. Remember this, I kept it in the kg. But here the total weight of the truck is been given 10 tons. Now if that is the total weight of the truck is given 10 tons. So here you know that 1 ton I have over there, that is over there 1. This is if I write it over here tons and kg. So that is here 1 ton is equals to 1000 kg. So your 10 tons will be equal to 10,000 kg. Can you see that over there? 10,000 kg. I am converting the weight of the boxes, weight of the truck in the kg. So remember 1 ton 1000 kg. So 10 tons will be 10,000 kg. So now here I'll be writing the according to the first condition. Now according to the first condition, now if you see this over there, if the weight of the one box, now they told that two, that is they have given over there that when 150 boxes of type A and 100 boxes of type B are loaded, then the truck is weighing 10 tons. Okay, because the maximum capacity of the truck is 10 tons. So if one box is X kg, so 150 boxes will be how much kg will be that today? Is 150x. That is the thing coming up. The weight, this is the weight of the 150 boxes of type A. Then there is 100 boxes of type B. So one weight of one box of type B is what? Y kg. So 100 box will be 100 Y kg. The weight of 100 boxes will be 100 Y kg. Okay. Yes. Now this has to be understood carefully. Yes. 100 box. One weight of one box Y kg. So 100 box will be 100 Y kg. Now total, this both the boxes are being kept in the truck. So when it is been kept in the truck over there, the total weight will be of the truck, what is that over there, is the 10 ton. So in the place of 10 ton, now I will be writing what? 10,000. So that's why I told you that over there. I have converted all this weight into kg. So that's why 150x plus 100y is equal to 10,000. People must be thinking that from where that sir has written the 10,000. I told you that I converted that 10 ton into kg. So that 10 ton is equal to 10,000 kg. And now I can do the cancellation. Further, this 10, 10 and 10 can be cancelled, and this all the terms are going in one table. So then we can do it in the one table, that is over there. 5 3s are 15, 5 2s are 10, and 5 2s are 10 and 200. So you will be getting what? 3x plus 2y is equals to 200. Now can you see this? 3x plus 2y is equals to 200. You got the what you will be getting over there. This is what you got, the equation number 1. Okay, this is how we got the equation number 1. Now we have to find out the second equation. So for second equation you have to write it over here according to second condition. Now what is according to the second condition? According to the second condition. The second condition, if you read, you will start reading from here. That when, see, can you do the second condition starting from here? Here, if you see this, okay, when 260 boxes of type A are loaded in the truck, it can still accommodate 40 boxes. It can still accommodate 40 boxes. So here in this case, 260 boxes of type A. So this will be 260 x. The weight of one box is what? X kg. So weight of 260 boxes will be 260 x. Okay, and then plus, can I have over there, they told us 40 boxes can be also accommodated 40 y is equals to, again then this will be what? Here in this case is 10,000 kg. This is one box of x kg, so 260 box will be 260 x. One box of y kg, 40 box will be what? 40 y. Now I can further do the cancellation. 0 and 0 and 0 will get cancelled. Can I go for the 2 ka table? 2 1s are 2, 2 3s are 6, 2 2s are 4 and 2 5s are 10 and 0 and 0. So I'll be getting what over here in this case is 13x plus 2y is equals to 500, and this is how I got my second equation. So I got my first equation, I got my second equation. If you see the first equation, 3x plus 2y is equal to 200, and second equation is 3x plus 2y is equal to 500. Now students, I got how it is so simple. How I got it out there, how the equations are there, how I got the equation, you must have easily got it over there. Yes, so that is what we got that over there, total this over there. Second part, now you have to check that over there, we have to follow the 3 steps over there which are equal. So if you check this out over there, I think so, if you check the 3x plus 2y is equal to 200, 3x plus 2y is equal to 500, 13x plus 2y is equal to 500. Your equation, in this equation number 1 and equation number 2, I can see that the y variables are equal. And if the y variables are equal, so we don't have to equalize it over there. After that over there, you have to check the next step, addition or subtraction. So if you see that 2y is having here plus sign, here also 2y is having plus sign. That means they are having same sign. Same sign means subtraction. So as for same as for subtraction. So what I'll try to do here is I'll be subtracting over here. Subtracting, I'll be getting over here subtracting equation second. You have a equation second from first. From first. You have a second from first. So first equation is what? 3x plus 2y is equals to 200. That's my equation number 1. And then 13x plus 2y is equals to 500. That is my equation number 2. So when I try to subtract, I have to change the sign, minus, minus and minus. So this is what? 3 minus 13. 3 minus 13. So you will be getting 10. But not 10x, but it will be minus 10x because bigger number sign. Here you will be getting what? 0. And then that is equals to what over here? 200 minus 500. 200 minus 500, you will be getting what over here? 300. Here you will be getting what? 300. But not the 300. You have to write it over here minus 300 because bigger number sign. Therefore, what I am getting with over here is minus 10x is equals to minus 300. Can you see this? Minus 10x is equals to minus 300. So I got the, then I have to, what I have to do here is I have to divide this by x is equals to minus 30 upon minus 10. Minus minus sign will get cancelled. 10 1s are 10, 10 3s are. So you will be getting, x is equals to 300 upon 10. 300 upon 10 minus minus sign will get cancelled. You will be getting over there 10 1s are and 10 30s are. So you got over here is x value is nothing but 30. I got the value of x. Now I have to get the value of y. So for that, what I have to do here is substituting the value of x is equals to 30. X is equal to 30 in equation 1. Can I take my equation number 1? Oh yeah, what is the equation number 1? Therefore 3x plus 2y is equals to 200. That's my equation number 1. Now I got the value of x. So this will be what? 3 into 30 plus 2y is equals to 200. So therefore you will be getting 3, that is your 90. 3 0 0 3 3 is 9 plus 2y is equals to 200. Plus 2y is equals to 200. Now we have to take the 90 from the left hand side to the right hand side. When I take this as a 90, so this will be what? 2y is equal to 200 minus 90. Plus 90 will go, that will become minus 90. Therefore 2y is equals to, you will be getting what? 110. 2y is equals to 110. Now you will be having over here y is equals to 110 divided by 2. 2 on the 2, 2 5 the 10, 2 5 the 10. So y is equals to 55. Y is equal to 55. That means I got the value of y. Now once I got the value of x and I got the value of y, that means I got the weight of each boxes. That means x is the weight of the type A box, we kept it, and y is the weight of the type B box, we kept it over here. So I have to write it the final answer that the weight of type A box is 30 kg, and type B, you have a type B box is 55 kg. You will be getting what? 55 kg. This is how I finish. What is the final question they asked over there? Find the weight of each boxes. So the weight of type A box we got 30 kg and the weight of type B box is 55 kg. And this is how we finish with the question number 5th of practice set 1.5.